Okay, Ray, what's it called?
Non-burning towel. In here I have isopropyl alcohol and water. And I'm just going to put a towel in here, get it wet. Squeeze out the excess liquid. Take it and burn. On fire, but the towel's not burning. Try to see if it is right off.
Yeah, we can see it. Yeah, like flinging fire.
The isopropyl alcohol combusted, and the water that was in here was absorbing some of the heat. And if we were to add salt to this, the flame should be brighter. I don't know if it will be or not. The reaction, or the experiment, can be used with different low boiling alcohols like methanol or ethanol. Don't have to use isopropyl alcohol. You can use just about any combustible material like a cloth towel or any other paper towel. Oh God.
Let it burn.
I don't want it to burn me.
It should just go out, right?
So blowing fire at my face.
If you just let it burn, eventually all the alcohol will burn off, so it'll start to burn the towel. But you blow it out in time, it won't.
Question. Why the salt make it bigger flame?
I don't really know. I haven't researched that yet. But you know that?
Why should you use a low burning or low boiling point alcohol?
Again, I haven't researched it yet, but I'm guessing so that it will combust really quick. And the water will absorb some of the heat, but not a lot of it, only some of it. And a lot of the heat that is combusted will be lost to the air. But I'm not sure why low boiling alcohols.
Well, what do you know about the vapor pressure of these low burning alcohols?
I'm not sure.
What do we know about the interparticle forces of those alcohols? They are weak, so they vaporize pretty rapidly. So when you talk about volatile liquids,
What?
Okay, instead of using just salt like that, could you use any other salt brighter?
I'm sure you could, but I don't know. Again, I haven't done my research. I'm going to do it today.
so what was the color of the flame?
First it was blue and orange, but when I was adding the salt, it was just orange.
So what if, go back to his question, what if you used a copper salt?
I'm sure it would have been a different color.
What color?
Green.
Green. So what do you actually see? Flame test.
Yep.
So that would have been cool. Questions? Hey, hey, Ackerman, put Hauck on the camera again. Tell us all about polymers.
Polymer is a repeating chain of multiple molecules of the same type, and then a silicone surfactant is a wetting agent that actually in my experiment, reduced the surface tension between the two liquids to allow them to mix easier.
How many of you have been following this oil spill? And one of the first things that they did was they tried to put a dispersant on the oil. It's like putting laundry detergent in there. What happened to the oil?
It's supposed to break it down.
It's supposed to, and you know what it actually does? Sinks to the bottom.
Any girls interested in playing basketball next year, there will be